Circadian nutrition examines how meal timing shadows our sleep, energy, and recovery cycles, shaping healing outcomes. Researchers trace this idea to ancient food rituals and modern chronobiology, showing when the body best processes fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Practitioners share simple timing strategies, like prioritizing protein in the morning and lighter dinners to improve sleep quality and inflammation markers. Case studies reveal headaches, fatigue, and digestive symptoms easing when clients synchronized eating windows with daylight and exercise. Experts emphasize gradual shifts, personalized plans, and avoiding rigid rules that ignore lifestyle differences.